Hi everyone. In my previous videos, I showcased how to leverage Microsoft 365 Copilot to create documents and PowerPoint presentations within seconds. In today's demo, I'll be showing how you can use Copilot in Excel to perform data analysis and generate charts effortlessly and in no time. Without no further delay, let's get into the demo. So, as usual, I'll open my Copilot. You can This data is just made up from ChatGPT or Copilot. The only thing I have done is I just formatted into a table just by using format as a table. Nothing else I did. So now I'm going to use my Copilot. Either from here, you do see that here, get deeper analysis. There are like pre-populated options given by the Copilot, or you can also ask Copilot. There is another option here on the top right corner, Copilot. You can either use this or the option which is available at the corner. Let me click on it. It gives you some pre-suggested prompts, create formulas, understand advanced analysis and all that. Or you can write your own prompt based on your requirement. So I'm going to write a prompt here for creating a line chart showing total sales over time. So just let me write that. So you can see that line chart is already created. If you just be patient for a few more seconds, it will give you an option to add it to a new sheet. Just click on it. I already got the sum of the total sales and also the line chart. In the similar lines, let me show you one more example to create a bar chart. So I'm going to just enter a prompt, a bar chart comparing total sales versus targeted sales by region. So we have seen some charts here, but now let us see some key insights of this data. So summarize key insights from the sales data table. Just I'm running the prompt. Let's wait and see. So far we have seen how to create the charts within seconds. Let's try out something more than the charts. I want to get average profit margin and total sales per region. This is just more as data analysis than the charts. I'm just typing my prompt as show me the average profit margin and total sales per region. Let's see the results. I got the results here, and within few seconds you will get a button here to insert that data. So add to a new sheet. You can see all that average of profit margin, sum of total sales. So you can also do more than this. Let me try comparing actual total sales with targeted sales and highlight underperforming entries. I'm just simply applying that. You can change the formatting word based on your requirement. I just chose pink as here as it is suggested. So after few seconds, you can see all the highlighted based on the underperforming entities or entries. Hope it was helpful. I'll come up with more videos on Excel, PowerPoint, Word, and all the Microsoft 365 Copilot applications. Thank you for watching this video.